Hi there! I'm taking pictures of Boudoir photo shoot, and we're doing a quick photo shoot. I'm adding actually props, because this is not only for one occasion. This is a photo session when I want to do quick shots of different themes. So we're adding props for a Valentines. As you can see, we have the red pillow-shaped heart. We have a huge love card. We have some stuffed animals. Those are to use in spring. So what I'm doing right now is just to shoot for material for promotions. So these ones that I'm doing right now, these are going to be used for the Valentine's season. The Valentine season is coming. I wanted to feel more comfortable, like if it was a fluffy bear, a stuffed bear, a stuffed animal, something like very like. And instead of being, I wanted a little fun instead of passion. So when you're smiling, I want something like, more like a laugh than a sexy laugh. Perfect. And let's try looking that way. 1, 2, 3. Let's keep your eyes open. Perfect. That's great. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay, with one hand, you're gonna play with your hair with this one. And doing that. Okay. 1, 2. Can we switch? Let's fix the pillow. I want it to actually see that it's a heart. Slightly like that. And now pull it. There you go. And then with this hand, playing. And laughing and looking at that way at the same time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Looking more that side to that. And I'm gonna move my light. I'm just going to lower my light so you can go straight to your eyes. Perfect. Okay, and give me a big smile. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. With a big laugh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I'm gonna make it more blurry. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Clean it again. I want to see some skin. I want to see your neck. On the other side, also clean it. Put it on the back. Perfect. And big smile. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And now looking a little higher. So you can stretch your neck. Stretch it and more. Turn more your face. Perfect. Hold on. And 1, 2, 3. And more like squeezing the pillow. With your head, like lean. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now roll on your back. Your body that way. Legs that way. Perfect. And 1, 2, 3. Cross more your knee. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Can you put them a little lower, the card? So I can see more of your chest. Perfect. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And you can move a little, scoot back that way. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Bring more of the bunny on the front. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your face this way and smiling. All the way to your cheek on the face. And smiling. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Cover more across, all your arm across, instead of just the hand. Perfect. Fixing your veil. What if you play with your veil and smiling? 1, 2, 3. 3. Don't move. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. 3. And now what if you face it that way? If you can. Right. Like that or crossed? Like those look elegant in that way. As long as they're crossed and just look, you're looking that way. And your hands, relax your hands, open them. Perfect, and turning that way. Now, just slightly lean towards me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay.